These are the escalators at Belk Women and Kids, Hamilton Place in Chattanooga, Tennessee. There is the up escalator sign. And these are Montgomery escalators. There's the down escalator right there. And here's the atrium. Wow, it's nice. Another view of the down escalator right there. Montgomery. And then there's another entrance over there. Look at this atrium, so beautiful. Down escalator sign. Montgomery. There's the up escalator. And the atrium again. This is truly one of my favorite Belk stores in Tennessee. Montgomery, that's it.